Apple's smallest desktop just got a major upgrade. This is the Mac Mini with the new M4 chip. And if you're looking for a simple, powerful, no-fuss computer for work, creativity, or everyday life, this might be exactly what you need. The Mac Mini is Apple's most compact desktop computer. It doesn't come with a screen or a keyboard. You bring your own. What you get in return is a ton of performance in a tiny, quiet box that fits just about anywhere. It's perfect if you already have a monitor, want to upgrade an older setup, or need a clean, minimalist workspace. You can plug in almost anything: your own monitor, mouse, keyboard, external hard drives, cameras, printers, even multiple screens if you need more space to work. It has USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and headphone ports, so it works with most setups right out of the box. If you're looking for a fast, quiet, reliable desktop that doesn't take up much space and won't get outdated in a year, the Mac Mini with M4 is a great option. It's small, smart, and ready for pretty much anything.